na obi so show Adom TV ye de mo kwayensan foforo mu Tamale North mrahye bedwane Alhassan Suhini se ene ya ben ye tiswidie wonwi nipa ho kapra kura nkente sank won kase Tamale aboabo Timber Market no kwa akudwiragu nanumu nsam woni Adom TV etwaso
mrahye bedwane owo Tamale North Alhassan Suhini ede atudwa se womanfo a womo eton enua ensase a womo ewo so a sese aban no ede akoma ankran dwumako no ekamea yese aban no enwe womanfo ehu empe bebi emfa mom abra woni nsentrofo etwetwe nkomo ewo mrahye bedwam no wode tudwa se anamo aban etuo kura na aban enye na adwene se sa womanfo yi a womo etu omafi wo yi wobepe bibi ede amom.
The facts remain that the minister, and you can all check, Google it right now, Tamale Lands Commission denies the sale of Timber Market. Google it. If he's saying the Lands Commission has never denied the sale, denied that they are selling, that land, the reports are there. The press conference was organized May 2021.
And some of the two dra efa eye siketua anase compensation hono. Minister of Lands and Natural Resources Samuel Abujinapo edi tudwa se aban no aya hoboa se womanfoi womo ebehwom.
If I come to the house to pose a question about the people of Damango, that should take priority over any and everything. He's a member of parliament for Tamale North, and by all intents and purposes, this is supposed to be a major issue for him. And he claims a major issue for the people of Tamale. And if he poses a question of that nature, the people of Tamale expect that he appears in the house to answer, to ask that question. He did not appear in that house. He was late, and he was derelict. And he disappointed his constituents, and that is the point I make. The second point about transparency, I am prepared to publish the entire file. I am prepared to publish the entire file relating to this matter. I'm prepared to publish the entire file. As I said, I inherited it. I did not execute the lease. And the broader issue of government redevelopment is not my policy. It's a policy which was enacted under President Rawlings.